Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous lesson. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we explained why there are 2 Carolinas and 2 Dakotas. Now let's see how much you remember. Are North and South Carolina the result of a recent political decision? No. They were divided in the early 1700s due to administrative and cultural differences. Did the original Carolina belong to France? No. It was a British colony granted by King Charles II. Was slavery more common in North Carolina than in South Carolina? No. South Carolina had more large plantations and enslaved people. Did North and South Carolina become states at the same time? No. South Carolina became a state in 1788, and North Carolina in 1789. Was Dakota originally part of the Louisiana Territory? No, it was created as its own territory in 1861. Did North and South Dakota become states in different years? No, they were both admitted in 1889. Did President Harrison clearly label which Dakota was signed first? No, he shuffled the papers so no one would know which came first. Was Bismarck the capital of North Dakota? Yes, Bismarck became the capital of North Dakota. Were the Dakotas divided because of size and rivalry? Yes, both geographic and political reasons led to the split. Are the Carolinas and Dakotas unique in being split states? Yes, they are among the few U.S. regions divided into 2 separate states. Great job! Watch the video again to reinforce your learning, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next episodes. This is Docentes DigitalesTV. See you in the next adventure.